Oh hey, you didn't see you there. Do you want to go find the others? Come on, let's go.
Following the leader, the leader, the leader. We're following the leader wherever he may go. Chee-dum, chee-dee, a chee-lee-dum, chee-dum, chee-dee.
Hey guys.
Hey,
How are you?
good. We just had a P90 lecture, but don't really know what's going on still.
Well, I can help. Would you like to know what pieces of auxiliary equipment your water has to travel through in order to become Shanika's Coke?
Yeah, tell us.
A P&ID is a piping and instrumentation diagram that shows the interconnections of process equipment and instrumentation used to control the given process. This P&ID shows the production of soft drinks. The treated water is fed through a ball valve. The valve is used to inhibit the flow when the process is shut down. A ball valve has been chosen for this pipeline due to its low cost and ease of operation. It is difficult to clean, but this is not an issue when treated with water. This is a symbol for a ball valve on a P&ID. This is what it looks like in practice. Ben will now show you how it is assembled and used.
Starting with the housing, place the ball seal and spindle inside. Secondly, slide the ball onto the groove on the spindle and screw in the face. Then put the two O-rings on top of the spindle, followed by the two stops. Finally, place the thrust washer, one hexagon nut, hand lever and the final hexagon nut on top. The ball valve can be operated with the hand lever as shown by opening the valve so that the whole of the ball is turned in the direction of the flow, or closed with it perpendicular to the flow direction.
See? It's that easy.
Next, the water is passed through a filter into a storage tank, where the water level is dictated by an electromagnetically controlled valve. The water is pumped using the inline centrifugal pump. This pump is chosen due to its high efficiency with low viscosity fluids and low cost. This is the symbol for an inline centrifugal pump on a P&ID. This is what it looks like in practice.
Starting with the motor, place the feather key into the stub shaft and using an Allen key, screw in the two impellers. Next, attach the connecting flange using the cheese head screws with hexagonal nuts. Then, using the hexagon head screw, attach the yoke and to complete the first assembly stage, place the housing cover on top and screw in the floating ring seal. On top of the stub shaft, place the floating ring seal and counter ring. Now insert the feather key into the impeller and put this on top, securing it with the hexagonal nut and washer. Place the O-ring inside the pump housing and screw this on with the hexagon head screws. Finally, attach the screw plug and sealing plug and you have your inline centrifugal pump ready to rumble.
And it's not just the soft drinks industry, it's the petrochemical, pharmaceutical and wastewater industry too.
Thanks, I finally understand. Do you?